This video is meant to be a critique of reasoning itself in favor of peace and joy. When you choose reason, you choose to ask questions, and these questions are endless. Once you get the answers, there are just more and more questions, with no end, and this is usually the source of much agitation. You'll never enjoy what you have due to overthinking. Once you're in a favorable situation, you can absolutely ruin it by trying to find out the things that are wrong either in the situation itself or things that were wrong in the past or maybe be wrong in the future. Usually, when one is stuck in the past, you can learn to cultivate negativistic emotions or maladaptive behaviors associated with the past and constantly manifest them in the present, which stops one from having genuine enjoyment. When one is stuck in the future, it causes anxiety for what is to come. And you may also be stuck in a loop of constantly trying to detect danger in everything you see. All this causes significant amounts of stress, which is not only obviously mentally, but also physically unhealthy. There's a lot of research that shows that the impact of stress on things like cardiovascular health, as chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, weakened immune system, sleep disorders, respiratory issues, skin issues, digestive problems, and far more than I should even mention in this video. But those are just the impacts of reason. So when you choose reason, you choose all of those. But when you choose joy, you choose none of that. Joy involves genuine enjoyment from not being stuck in reasoning patterns which are always in the past. Joy allows you to enjoy the present now and take in things clearly for what they are. This is not a choice. You can't make a conscious choice between these two. Either you see reason as a fact or joy as a fact. So if you would like to choose joy over reason, then you would need to ask yourself why you're seeing reason as a fact. And those are the kind of answers that can't come from me or anyone else, but only yourself.